And hello, compressed air friends. So, this is a video that I promised a while back and then got distracted, forgot about it, and was reminded the other day that, hey, you never did this. And I was like, oh crap, you're right, I never did. So, here we go. What we're going to do today is we are going to be taking a shortcut and using AI to write our service notes for us. But the problem we often run into when using AI to write service notes is it gives us really bad service notes sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's okay. But so I'm going to show you guys the workaround, the hack, whatever you want to call it, for ensuring that you get absolutely badass service notes every time you use AI to write them. And it's going to be as easy as cut and paste. So what we're going to do is I use Claude for writing service notes. I will show you how to do this with Grok and Gemini as well. It's pretty easy no matter what AI you use. So every AI has an input field in it for what in AI agent building we would call a system prompt. And the system prompt is just that. It's a prompt built into the system that runs in the background every time you ask your AI to do something. It's going to reference back to that prompt. Now, in AI agent building, you would use a system prompt to kind of describe for your agent who they are and how you want them to behave. So, for example, one of the AI agents that I have scours the internet every Monday morning for me looking for tools on sale, and it will compile the result into an email and send it to me. And so part of my system prompt for that agent is, hey, you are an industrial tools expert, and you are an expert bargain hunter, and you are going to combine these two skills to scour the internet and find the best deal on industrial grade tools, and email them back to me, or whatever line of crap I fed it. It was something like that. Anyway, it works great. I find all kinds of amazing deals on tools, but anyway, I digress. So at a low level, every AI available has this function. I'm just going to show you. I use Claude, Grok, and Gemini for different things on a daily basis. So my system prompt actually exists in Claude because I don't use Grok or Gemini really for generating service notes. I generally use Claude for that. So it actually exists in Claude, but I'll show you how to where to paste it in Grok and Gemini both. So that, if you like those AIs better, you can use those AIs. So anyway, so we're going to open up Claude, and right here from your main screen, hit your three lines up here in the top left corner, hit your name down here to bring up your settings, go to profile, and then right here in personal preferences is where you're going to tell Claude or whatever AI how you want it to respond to you when you ask for service ticket notes or whatever. So here in my personal preferences, I've put all service ticket notes should be written in first person language. When I ask for service ticket notes on a diagnostic or repair call, pay close attention to the defective parts being called out and give a short explanation of what that part does. When I give you a picture of an equipment data tag along with a request for service tickets, only pull manufacturer's name, model, and serial number. Leave all others unless I specifically ask for it. Then I go into breaking down what I mean when I ask for ticket notes on a compressor minor PM service, on a major PM service, refrigerated dryers, desk and dryers. Like I pretty much got it all laid out here for Claude. And so we'll do a quick live demo of this. So I've got where did that go now? There we go. So I have my ticket here pulled up. I've changed the serial number to all ones. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and share this to Claude. You can see right down here it's attached to the chat now. And I'm just going to say minor air compressor PM write service ticket notes. And stupid autocorrect. PM. There we go. And so here we go. You will see Claude has now returned back with the manufacturer name, model number, serial number, just like I asked for. It's giving me some service ticket notes, form minor PM, full visual inspection prior to beginning work, blah, 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 applied LOTO for safety protocol, change the air filter, oil filter, verified oil level topped off as needed, clean scavenger line, inspected drive coupling, check condensate drains, reset all service timers, release LOTO, return unit service, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if you want Claude to make any changes to your notes, you can just tell him, hey, I don't like this, change it. I don't like the wording, add this, get rid of this, whatever. Once Claude has returned your notes to you in the way that you desire, you can see down here at the bottom, you've got a bunch of little icons. You got a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. That very first one there on the left is your copy. So you can tap that and it will automatically copy the notes to your clipboard. And at that point, you can go into your service ticket app or whatever you use and just paste them. And if you want to make some slight edits at that point, obviously you can. But so that is Claude right there. Now, if we go to Grok, Grok handles this a little bit differently. So with Grok, we're going to hit our two dashes up here. And then we are going to go all the way down at the bottom, the little gear icon for settings. And we are going to go right here in the middle where it says customize. Now, Grok gives you the ability to create different agents within the overall Grok app. So of course we have our default Grok here. If all you're going to use Grok for is to write service notes, you can just tap that and you can paste those notes right into here, and Grok will do that. If you want to create an entirely different agent, you just tap create agent down here, which you're going to have to subscribe to Super Grok for that. Yeah, so you can just paste them right in there. If you're paying for Super Grok, congratulations. You can create another agent. So that's how you would do that with Grok. I have not had too many issues with Grok rejecting specific instructions. Usually it does pretty good, but I just feel like Claude returns a little bit cleaner, better wordsmithed notes than what Grok does sometimes. So we'll get out of here. And if you go into Gemini, obviously you're going to have Gemini linked through your Google account. So if you tap the upper right corner here where your circle with your initial is, and you're going to go right here in the middle where it says personal context, and under your instructions for Gemini, you're just going to tap add, and then that's where you put those instructions in. Now, I have had issues with Gemini rejecting instructions before, and I'm not sure. Sometimes I was asking Gemini to do things that were just straight up unethical, and it would be like, no, I'm not doing that. And I'm like, yeah, good call, Gemini. But with my particular service notes, if I want Gemini to do it, I have to actually alter those a little bit, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure what it doesn't like about them. So just know you might have to tweak your notes a little bit to get Gemini to take it if you want Gemini to write your notes, which Gemini writes very nice service notes. I just don't have the time. Sometimes when I'm working through something, I'm like, ooh, I should add that into my system prompt, and I just don't have time to go back and edit the system prompt 18 times to make Gemini happy. So that's one of the reasons why I use Claude, because Claude's just like, yep, got it, boss, see ya. So I'm going to actually copy and paste that system prompt into the comments down here, and you guys can grab it, use it, edit it, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, so that's how we ensure that our service notes come back looking spectacular, even when using AI. So that's what I got. See y'all.